Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem The Little River by Rabindranath Tagore. Margin questions. First, how do we know that the river is just knee deep? Answer. The lines in summer the water is only knee deep and cows and carts can cross it with ease till the water is shallow or not deep. Next question. What does one see along the banks of the river? Answer. One sees shiny bright sand, white blossom cash fields along the banks of the river. One hears chirping of mynads, howling of jackal at night. There are groves of mangoes and palm on the banks. The village priests live under their cool shade. Girls and boys are taking bath and splashing water. Third question. How do the young children enjoy in the river? Answer. Girls and boys bathe close to the banks of the river. They are walking in the shallow water and splashing it with a cotton cloth, that is washcloth. Fourth question. How does the river change in Ashad? Answer. In Ashad, clouds gather in the sky and it starts raining. Water level of the river rises very high and it flows strong, making sounds. People celebrates and welcomes the rain. English workshop. First, name the following from the poem. First, two trees, mango, palm. Two animals, cows, jackal. Two seasons, summer, Ashad. Two non-English words, cash, gamchas. Next, two different timings of the day, dusk, dawn. B. Pick from the poem words that describe sounds. Answer. Bubbling, chirping, howl, swirl. C. Pick out words that describe the flow of the river water. Inspate, muddy torrent, current grows strong, water rises. Next question. Find out 5 lines from the poem that contains the figure of speech alliteration. Underline the initial sound of words repeated in each of the lines. First, and cows and carts can cross it with ease. Second, no sign of slime, the sand shine bright. Third, the jackal's howl is heard there at night. Fourth, at dusk and dawn, once their bath is done. Next question. Pick out 4 lines that contain the figure of speech onomatopoeia. First, chirping mynas through that side. Next, the jackal's howl is heard there at night. Third, the air is rife with bubbling sounds. Next, as the muddy torrent swirl along. Next question. Rearrange the words in alphabetical order. First, summer, sign, slime, sand, shade, stir, scabbard, sound, swirl, strong. Answer. Sand, scabbard, shade, sign, slime, sound, stir, strong, summer, swirl. Second, banks, blossom, boys, bathe, babbling. Answer. Babbling, banks, bathe, blossom, boys. Next, these, though, to, throng, there, they, trap, torrent. Answer: there, these, they, though, throng, to, torrent, trap. Next question: what aspects from the poem do the following phrases describe? A. Their cool shade, shadow of mango and palm tree. B. Only knee deep, depth of the water. Next, not too steep, banks of the river. Next, housework of the river bank. Housework of the women, washing and cleaning. Next, in spate, river's water. Next, rife with sounds, the air. Next question, the poem describes two different pictures of the river in summer and in rainy season. Write down 4 points of contrast in the changing scene of the river in summer and in monsoon. First, water is only knee deep in summer. Current grows strong in monsoon. No sign of slime. The sand shines brightly in summer. In monsoon, flooded river, water level is high. Flows silently in summer. Flows with babbling sound in monsoon. Shallow water in summer. Deep water, muddy torrent swirls along in monsoon. Next question, guess who am I? I always run, I never walk. I often murmur, but never talk. I have a bed, but never sleep. I have a mouth, but hardly eat. I love to fall, but can't climb up. Guess who am I? Please don't give up. Try to translate the above riddle in your medium of instruction in a poetic form. मी नेहमी पडतो पण चालत नाही कधीच. मी खूपदा कुजबुजतो पण बोलत नाही कधीच. बिछाना आहे पण नाही मला झोपच. तोंड आहे पण खातो मी क्वचितच. पडायला आवडते मला पण वर नाही चढू शकत. ओळखा पाहू मी कोण? कृपया प्रयत्न सोडू नका. उत्तर नदी. Next question. Imagine you were at the riverside class picnic and slipped and fell into the river while playing games. Write in about 12 to 15 lines how your classmates saved you. Last year, our teacher announced a picnic to Mahabaleshwar. We all class went to enjoy the beauty of nature. About 1 p.m. we stopped for lunch. After having lunch together, we were playing hide and seek on the bank of the river. All were busy in enjoying the play. Suddenly, I slipped and fell down in the river water. The water was very deep and I didn't know the art of swimming. I was about to drown. Boys went on shouting. Some of my best friends noticed it and jumped into the water. They held me tight and pulled me towards the bank. They saved my life that day. I shall never forget their kindness.